So when we do Qigong, we can also think about relaxing a little bit deeper. So the way we do is not trying to do very deep breathing. So we can actually sometimes just think about the parts of the body we want to relax. So for example, it could be like I want to relax my head or something. So my mind is on my head, and I'm breathing in, and I breathe out, connecting with my head, and I relax and release. Negative energy is sitting in my head. And then it could be from my neck, breathing in, think about my neck, connect with it deeper, and just breathe out. So you can do the same to apply to, usually we would do it head, neck, and then we do shoulder, and then go down to your chest and your abdomen, and then you do your back, and then your arms, and then your legs, and then you do for the same things to your whole body. Okay, so see you another time.